Whooping cough will cause babies to stop breathing. It can cause a cough that persists for hundreds of days.
Young infants sound like they're coughing so much, and when they try to take a big, deep breath, that sounds like a whoop. And that's why it's called whooping cough.
Whooping cough is a really severe pneumonia that can put babies in the hospital and result in long-term lung damage if they survive it.
Whooping cough is caused by a bacteria called Bordetella pertussis. This causes a much more severe cough to the point that many people will cough so hard that they vomit, and they can cough so hard that they actually break their ribs.
Roughly half of the babies and infants under the age of 1 year old who get whooping cough will end up hospitalized.
I cared for a newborn who had pertussis. I can still remember what it sounds like to hear that newborn try desperately to take breaths between coughing fits.
For whooping cough, there's not a lot we can do for it. We're just treating the symptoms. Whooping cough is terrible. It's incredibly scary for patients.
The baby I cared for with pertussis didn't survive.
In little kids with small lungs, respiratory diseases progress really fast. And by being vaccinated, their immune system can protect them, slow down that progression, limit how intense or severe it's going to be.
Whooping cough is still in the community, and so the best way to prevent it is with a vaccine. Talk to your child's doctor if you have any questions. Prevent what's preventable.